Hi guys, today is very weird because it started very gloomy and rainy and now it's very windy. There's a little bit of sun, it's still cloudy, and there's actually a rainbow behind me. I don't know if you can see it, but can you see it? There's a rainbow. Since I can't change the weather, so I'm going to change this. So there you go guys, since I can't change the weather, I can definitely change my look, my outfit, and my productivity level for today. I also want to do a quick shout out to my lovely friend Christine. If you guys are interested to see easy yet amazing recipes, please subscribe to her channel, Recipes by Tin. And for today's video guys, you're in for a treat because this is the third episode of Let's Grow in YouTube Together. And if you're new to my channel, please be awesome and click the subscribe button and get ready to learn a thing or two in growing your YouTube channel. So let's get started. First things first, let's define who is YouTube algorithm. Or better yet, what is an algorithm? Algorithm means a process or set of rules to be followed in calculations or other problem-solving operations, especially by a computer. What does it have to do in our YouTube channel? So basically, the algorithm in YouTube world has a twofold goals, and these are: first, to connect the viewers to the most relevant videos according to their search, and second is to keep the viewers watching. And why is it so important to understand the whole algorithm thing in growing your YouTube channel? Simply because if you work in line with the algorithm, that means you'll get more views, more likes, more subscribers, and at the end of the day, if you're already monetized, more earnings! Yay! Let me give you a quick run through of YouTube's algorithm history. So in 2011, YouTube's algorithm is prioritizing the click and view, which means the more clicks you get in your every video, the more the system will suggest it to the viewers. A year later, in 2012, the algorithm changed into watch time priority. That means the longer the person stays on your video, the more it gets suggested to other subscribers or other users. And on 2015 up to date, YouTube algorithm has immensely changed, and their main priority now is viewer satisfaction. They also added a few other metrics such as the likes, the subscriptions, and even your interaction with your subscribers. So if somebody likes your video or comments on your video, YouTube really likes that. And the more you get of those likes and comments, the more that they're going to suggest your video to a bigger group. So how does algorithm can actually help your channel grow? I think the better question is, how can you get algorithm to like your video so it goes and suggests your videos to more viewers on a bigger scale? So here are 5 key points that I learned that I want to share to you so you can harmoniously work with the YouTube algorithm. First is make sure you use relevant titles. No clickbaits, guys. So make sure that your titles have the keywords that people actually search for. Next is try to get more likes. Suggest a call of action like always remind your subscribers or your viewers to hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to your channel if they haven't done so. You can also utilize some tools from YouTube Studios such as playlists, end screens, cards, and even subtitles. Next is engagement. Try to interact more with your viewers. Whether they're already subscribed or not, try to ask them or urge them to leave a comment down below in your comment box, or you can also ask them questions. And whenever they send or leave you a message or a comment in your comment box, try to answer it as soon as you can. Next is, of course, try to create contents that are relevant and something that's useful to your viewers. Or maybe something that's entertaining. The main goal is actually to keep your viewers watching on your videos as much as they can. The higher your audience retention is, the more your videos will get suggested to other viewers. A good benchmark is at 50%. So whenever you check your YouTube analytics and you see that the audience retention on a certain video is more than 50%, that's actually performing very well. However, if it's below 50%, don't get discouraged easily. Take it as a challenge to create better content, and hopefully on your next videos, you'll get a higher audience retention rate. The last tip that I can give has something to do with keywords as well. In addition to making sure that you use relevant titles for your videos, try to also make relevant descriptions. I'm not suggesting that you post a really lengthy description in your every video. However, please don't ever leave it blank. Just think about this. The more keywords that you put in your description, the more chances the YouTube algorithm will actually suggest it to everyone who's searching for these kind of videos. Try to make use of proper tags to make your videos more visible to viewers. And lastly, I could not begin to tell you how important it is to use the proper tools in optimizing your channel. And what I'm using now is actually one of the best used or the most used by successful YouTubers out there, and that is no other than TubeBuddy. If you don't know what TubeBuddy is, we are going to talk all about TubeBuddy in my next video, so stay tuned next week for the next episode of Let's Grow in YouTube Together. We will talk about how this powerful tool can actually help you grow your channel. And if you don't have TubeBuddy in your phone yet or in your device, please check out the description down below. I have the link down there, and download it for free so you can also use it to maximize your channel's potentials. Downloading TubeBuddy has been a game changer for me in terms of getting more views, more likes, and even more subscribers. So guys, I just am so excited to tell you more about this powerful tool and what amazing things it can do to your channel too. And that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope that you hit like and subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. And I also hope that I'll see you next week for another episode of Let's Grow in YouTube Together. Stay healthy, stay blessed, stay inspired, stay amazing. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.